Okay, I'm gonna be painting where Gary installed the new window and taking the stickers off of it and everything today. I didn't bring rags, so I'll use my pants as my rag. But these are my painting clothes anyway, so. They probably got years of paint on them. I hope this is a white paint. We just had it left over at home, and it didn't actually have a color on the top. Now that I'm using it, it kind of looks antique white, which I don't guess really matters because it's up here in the attic, but if Mom comes up, she'll probably want it to be white. And I haven't decided yet if I'm going to paint this trim because it's actually stained. I think that we use some of that in our house, so I might just leave it stained. I don't know. It'll be hard to touch up this without getting it on that though. I think I've decided to go ahead and paint this. It'll make it a more uniform look. Sounds like rain. Gary's at home working on the camper while I'm doing this. I was kind of hoping it wouldn't rain for a while. It's been crazy how much rain we've had. Okay, I have painted. Of course, the one trim was whiter, so there's that brown. I didn't know if I should paint that or just leave it as is. I painted that little decorative piece that was already at the top, but I guess I do need to touch that brown up. Looks like there might be some brown under there. No, I guess it's just a shadow. Okay, well, I'll touch that up and then clean the window. Okay, I painted the brown. I think even though it looks whiter than that side, I think that's a better option. I may need to do a second coat later, but anyway, I'm going to get this window cleaned. I'll have to go downstairs and get some stuff to clean it. Okay, there it is. I guess not too bad for an attic window. My mom fell Saturday. She was trying to come up here and see it, so Gary actually put her a handrail up. Of course, we don't want her coming up here without we're here, but let me show you the handrail. Here's the handrail he put in. Kind of dark, but sorry for the noise. Mom's doing laundry, but that's the handrail he put up. Mom thinks she was on the 4th or 5th step and missed a step, but these steps, you can't really see it, but they are so super high, like tall steps
here. And be behind you or whatever.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, don't that look good?
You like it?
Oh yes, I like it. Don't that really look good?
Well, I got everything cleaned up, painted.
And you cleaned the floor and everything so good. That really looks good. I like that.
Yep.
You know what? I need to hang a curtain together for that.
Well, your curtain's laying right there where that old trunk is, but
I guess it needs washing. I don't.
I don't know. The paint's wet, so I didn't put it back up.
You know, I think there's another white panel like that in there. But I'll have to look in the drawer and see.
Okay, one at a time. Hold your hand real.
Yeah, see, that's what I was doing. I was backing down
Yep.
and I just missed that step. Is there another one?
Yep. Step down.
See, that's what I thought. I thought I was on the
Now, you
bottom
got another
step.
step.
Oh, there's another one?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
You got another step. Now you got to step down to the floor.
See, that's what I done. I thought I was on the bottom step and I wasn't.
Yeah.
Lord, here I went right into that bed, dog crate
Bless your heart.
with my back.
I'm sure that hurt.
Oh, it did. And I don't know, seems like it still feels a little sore in there.
Yeah.
Right.
Anytime you want to go up there, let one of us be with you.
Right. Ask Gwen here and let you sit down and rest.
So you like the window?
Oh, yeah, I love it, and it looks so good, don't it?
Yep.
Yeah, it really looks good. Yeah, I really like it.
We lock her out there, Foxy, so she won't be falling no more.